There's a bit of an update on the aquaponics system. Um, the one crawdad I had with one claw ended up getting killed by the big one. We were gone for a couple days and evidently didn't have enough food. So now I'm down to 3 in here. I'm doing a little trial here. There's a little crawdad right there. So that I put some plants in here. There's Sagittarius plants. There's a few of them in here. But I pulled them out of this tank here, shrimp tank. I need to get my filter on this. It's a little murky since I've done it, but I pulled a bunch of these tall plants out. It was all loaded in the front. So I put them in here to see if those guys will eat them. Hopefully they will. And here's all the duckweed and frog bits I pulled out of the top of this tank, which I need to do some more. But I wanted to show you the tomato plant that's growing. This one here. And there's a broccoli plant. And then we have some of our garlic chives there. Now, I've been slowly raising the light up. Probably won't go too much higher. I'm going to start just pruning the top of the tomato plant. Behind it there's all my pepper plants, which I need to get a chain for this light and drop it down, kind of like I got this one. I think they'll take off a little bit better. Since I've had the light lower, I've had a few more avocados pop up. So I got quite a few avocado trees going right now. Other than that, in the corner of the tank here, I put a power head. I can really see it there, but there's a power head there. And that's just trying to get blow all the waste into the sump and go into my bucket here. So all the solids will settle out in the bottom of the bucket a little bit better. So yeah, it's going alright. It sucks I've lost a few of these guys. But live and learn. I was trying to go the easiest route possible. So I do have some cucumber I cut up and put in there to see if those guys would eat it. So I'm just trying that out, but we'll see if they eat some of these plants or not. I do want to plant some more tomato plants. And my other chive plant didn't come up, and I think that was basil, sweet basil. I want to plant some more of those. I don't think the seeds were quite far enough in the substrate. So other than that, everything looks pretty good on it. Hopefully those chives come up a little bit higher. They're doing all right. So far so good. We'll see if we can get some tomatoes, but I need to get another tomato plant in it. And waiting for those peppers to shoot up more. They're getting there, but they're not quite where I want them. Not compared to the tomato or broccoli anyways. So I am thinking about when I do move my system, change some things, I might do an external flood and drain on 2 of these attached together in front of this window, which is the east facing window, but it gets a lot of light. And I'll still have my lights above it. But I am going to put it in front of that window. Try to do an external system, but I'll have plumbing ran to a tank. And when I get my bigger tank, I got a big fish tank right here, and I might tie that system into my main fish tank. So we'll kind of see how that goes. I do want to start pulling these avocados out and get them to my back porch and the mangoes and stuff like that, so I can put more plants in the system. I do need to probably put these grapes outside at some point in time, but I might wait till spring to do that. Hopefully they just survive. I mean, they've been cruising along in the system, so they're doing alright. But yeah, I might come back and start lopping this thing. Just start cutting it like right in here, somewhere towards the top. Just cut it off and keep it short, and then Just let it kind of bush out, let that trunk thicken up some more. So that's all that's going on now.